Hey traders, John Hell here. In this video I'm going to talk to you about something really serious is forming on the charts right now, and it is screaming at me that if it forms, if we start to get this formation, we are likely to see a lot of downside pretty quickly. Now when I say pretty quickly, I mean like over a few week period or more. Makes sense? So let's go straight into it. Guys, do not play trade based on what you see in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about your trading. Also guys, first link in description, grab your free trading course. Now, I'm going to make this really quick, but I've been following these markets now for a long time, and the formation that I'm seeing right now is this. So I'm not going to go into absolute detail about the formation, but all I'm saying right now, and especially I bring up the Dow Jones and I can bring up the S&P 500, and if I bring up the support level through here, all I say is that this, okay guys, right now we are definitely pausing where we are right now, okay? We've gone down and we've had a very volatile up, very volatile down, very volatile up, very volatile down, okay? We've got sellers in control right now. So the, oh, excuse me, I just burped in the mug. How about those apples for you? So we're getting a lot of sideways movement, but now we're getting the lows breaking down. We're breaking the lows, and we're also and making lower highs. So the sellers are in control right now. So if we pause through here, if we don't start to, this is the if scenarios. If we start to rally up through here, forget what I'm about to say. But if the if, do you guys remember that that YouTube channel when Obama if type in a YouTube channel, type in if Obama if song Obama or something like that, you'll be able to see it. there was Donald Trump, bing bong. Anyway, so let's get straight into it. So back to the chart, back to the topic at hand. So if we start to pause here and we start to go sideways for a little bit, and then we start to get a drop down, maybe like that, and then we get a nice close below this support level, like a big drop down, and we get a big volume spike. I'm telling you right now, guys, it is on like Donkey Kong, okay? And this is something I've been talking about with my private clients right now, and I'm showing them exactly why this setup is so powerful and why it means so much and so on and so forth. I'm not going to go into detail about it here. But with my private clients recently, today and also this week, I've been talking to them about, listen, this is what's going on in the markets right now. This is what the market's telling me right now. This is what the buyers and sellers are thinking and feeling, and this is where we're likely to go. So right now, if we hold here and we get a big drop down, guys, we are likely to see a significant move down. Now, all I say is when I say a significant move down, it may drop down through here, but I only see the S&P 500 going down towards maybe the 2000, maybe 400 level, maybe 2000, between 2300 2400 before it finds any significant support, which is my long-term support level here. And something, once again, I've been really encouraging my clients, my private clients, to trade what they see, not what they hope for. And that's why I'm there every single week coaching them to make sure that they're staying on track with these markets and not just getting into something because they think it's going to happen. So right now, guys, I'm telling you right now, if this market, the same for, that's the Dow Jones as well too, same for, let's go have a look at the Nasdaq as well too. This is the Nasdaq. If we've had a little push up through here, if we hold here and we start to get some strong selling and another strong selling bar, I'm telling you guys, this is a warning. If this happens, look out below. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. In this trading course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast off trading system, #1 in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this trading course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.